Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I'm playing on Olivia Rodrigo's new song called Expectations, and I'm playing this cool bass melody. I'm going to show you how to play the chords as well. I'm just having fun here in the intro of the song. Before we move on with this tutorial, I'm going to highlight my secondary new YouTube channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here somewhere. It's a completely different way of learning a song from A to Z with chords shown. You just play along with this playthrough. I need your help, guys, so go and support me there. Subscribe to that channel. Now let's focus on expectations. No need for any capo here. We have 4 chords only. I'm going to show you the chords first and then go into this technical stuff here. So G first. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. If you want, you can have the bar chord instead, because we're gonna jump over to a bar chord next up. So I'm gonna show you both versions of G now in the bar. So that's a bar on the 3rd fret. You're gonna push down all strings there, and then you need to add 5th A, 5th D, and 4th G. Take that very exact same grip and move it up to this position, and you will have this F chord instead. The bar on this 1st fret, and everything else follows there. That's the F chord. Okay, next up we have the D minor. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And finally we have the E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. To handle these chords, you're going to use a strumming pattern of 4 downs. So if you go to the 1st chord, G, you're going to play like this. And I like to play on the bass strings for the 1st, the 2nd, and the 4th down. But on the 3rd down, I go down on the higher strings there. So it goes like this for 1 round. Total 4 downs, so. All right, now let's go into the 1st verse. And if you play this with just chords and strumming, you're gonna play G 8 string rounds and then F 8 string rounds. You're gonna go back and forth for 2 times. So G8, F8, G, F8, F8. That is the chord and strumming, okay? But then we have this cool bass going on there. I'm gonna show you how to play it. So for G first, you're gonna play like this. Okay, so you're gonna play 5 times on this 3rd fret E string. And then you're gonna play 5th fret on D string, 3rd fret on that D string, and 5th fret on that A string. And then you're gonna play again this 5 times on the 3rd fret E string. And then you're gonna play 5th fret on D string and 3rd fret on D string. And a pause. That is 1 round. You're gonna play that for two rounds, so 2 times of that, and then you're gonna go into the F area. Now you have a bass note of 1st fret E string instead, so you're gonna play that for 5 times, and then you're gonna play the same there, D string, 5th fret, 3rd fret to D string, and 5th A, and then you're gonna go back again, 5 times on that 1st fret E string, and then 5th to 3rd on D string. That's round number 1. Round number 2 on F starts in the same way as the 1st round, with that 5 times on that 1st fret E string, and then D5 to D3 and 5th on A. But then the second half of it will be 5 times on that E string, 1st fret, and then comes the ending of on B string, open B, 1st B, back to open B, and open G. And that will end the F. And then you play everything again there for the 2nd time, okay? That is the verse playing. That is the hardest part. But again, if you think that is too hard to start with, go with the strumming instead. And that is what you're going to work with for the rest of the song. We're going to work with that strumming. 59 seconds in starts the first pre-chorus. You're going to play G, whatever version you choose to go for. 4 string rounds, that's G, and then you go to D minor 4, and then F 4, and E minor 4. So it goes like this. And that's it for pre-chorus. Now into the chorus. You're gonna play that at 1 minute and 13 seconds in. I won't. Yes, that's where under the lyrics settle. So what you're gonna play here now is the verse play. Either if we go with the strumming or the bass, it's up to you. 2 rounds of that again in the same way as the verse play, and that is the chorus, the first one. Then we're gonna jump back into the second round of everything. Gonna play exactly the same way for the verse, the second one, but it's just half as long. Only 1 round. G2, F2 with that bass going on, or 8, whatever. 1 round only, and then you're gonna play this second pre-chorus, play exactly the same way, and then the second chorus exactly the same way as the first one. After the second chorus comes the bridge part, and guess what? You're gonna continue with that verse play either with the melody or strumming for 2 rounds. Then you're gonna go into final parts of the song, and that is to play the last chorus. You're gonna play that exactly the same way as the previous choruses, guys, and that's it. That's how you end the song from Olivia Rodrigo, Expectations. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you. Hope you're supporting me. You better do. Thank you so much, and play tuned.